You don't need another year. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need motivation. You need 30 days. Right now, your life is not falling apart in one big moment. It's slipping away in small, quiet ways. Late nights that turn into wasted mornings. Endless scrolling that steals your focus. Comfort that slowly weakens your mind. You tell yourself you'll change tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving. And deep down, you know this isn't who you want to be. Here's the truth. No one is coming to fix your life. No sudden burst of motivation will save you. Your future is being built by what you do today and what you avoid. But there's good news. Your brain can change. Your habits can change. Your identity can change. Science calls it neuroplasticity. Your brain rewires itself based on repetition. What you do daily becomes who you are, not what you plan, not what you wish, what you repeat. So if you want a new life, you don't need more time. You need a system. For the next 30 days, you follow 3 rules, no exceptions. Rule number 1, control your mornings. Wake up at the same time every day. No phone, no distractions. Move your body, even if it's just 10 minutes. This tells your brain you are in control. Rule 2, do one hard thing daily, something you've been avoiding. Work out, study, build a skill. It will feel uncomfortable. That's the point. Discomfort is where growth begins. Rule 3, eliminate one weakness, one habit that is holding you back. Maybe it's social media, maybe it's junk food, maybe it's wasting hours doing nothing. Cut it out completely. At first, it will feel forced. You will want to quit. Your mind will fight back because your old identity is trying to survive. But if you keep going, something changes. You wake up with more clarity. Your focus gets sharper. Your confidence starts building. Not because you feel better, but because you are doing better. After 10 days, you notice the difference. After 20 days, others notice it. After 30 days, you become someone new. Not perfect, but disciplined. And that changes everything. You walk differently. You think differently. You stop negotiating with weakness. This is how you rebuild your life. Not in years, not in someday. In 30 days of ruthless consistency. So decide right now, not later, not tonight, not tomorrow, right now. Are you going to keep repeating the same habits, or are you finally ready to become unrecognizable?